July 5th, 2025, 1:36 Mountain, 3:36 Eastern, current weather conditions across Canada. Heat warnings in the east for southern Ontario and southern Quebec. Humidex values will feel like in the 40s. And for tomorrow, for southern Quebec, will feel like in the 40s. Then a passage cold front will come in. Here's that passage cold front will swoop down tomorrow afternoon, create some nasty thunderstorms in southern Quebec, possibly. Even Ottawa has a chance for severe storms. Then there's going to be lots of rain with it, risk of some flooding and damaging winds and low risk of tornadoes, but still on the table with strong severe storms. Remember, severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes. And we got some air quality alerts from the smoke. Severe thunderstorm watch has been issued by Environment Canada in southern Alberta. Low risk of tornadoes, but the chance is still there with 90 to 100 km/h winds and frequent lightning on top of that. It is sizzling in the east end. Southern Alberta, you're going to get into the heat too. Happy Calgary Stampede, day 2, at 21 degrees, 24 tomorrow in British Columbia, Vancouver. 20 degrees right now, but the heat will be on starting Tuesday. Remember last year how hot it was in southern Alberta during the Calgary Stampede? It was like 35 degrees, 36 degrees in Calgary. Steamy. Risk of some isolated showers and storms on Wednesday. You know how Calgary Stampede goes. 22 degrees today in Edmonton, isolated showers, maybe some thunderstorms. 50% tomorrow afternoon. Monday, 23 degrees. 90 degrees in Yellowknife. Hello to our friends in the north, but high of 21 today. Prince George, you got a little bit of pre-sip this afternoon, 80%. How you doing, Prince George, BC? Nothing too significant today in the weather department, but things could change. It is July. And Winnipeg, 25 degrees. 22 tomorrow. Heat is on for southern Ontario and southern Quebec. That is going to build the thunderstorm risk, even some lots of rain. And here's tomorrow when the humidex values get into the 40-degree mark. Hot, humid conditions for Ottawa and Montreal. Keep an eye on some nasty storms, possibly. Low chance right now, but anything could change. It's at 50% at this time. But when the daytime heating builds up, the risk goes up. You just need that ingredients in the air mass. And here, 50% in Montreal. Keep eye on the sky. 23 degrees right now in Quebec City. High at 24, 26 tomorrow with isolated showers, maybe some thunderstorms with a passage cold front. And it will feel cooler the next day, but lots of rain on Monday. St. John, how you doing? The rest of some thunderstorms this evening as well in St. John's, Newfoundland. Halifax, mix of sun and cloud, 24 degrees. 90 degrees right now in Charlottetown, PEI, and windy conditions tomorrow, 60 km/h. And now when I'm talking to you guys at the end, we can actually see some isolated thunderstorms. Just popped up right now, actually, at this time, 3:43 p.m. Eastern time. See how things change quickly? Just came from North Bay and now it could head to southern Quebec. It looks like it's going to head to southern Quebec, switching directions, but isolated storms, not severe in nature. All right, I'm